Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be looking at the congruence criteria called as SSS or side, side, side. Let's say I already have one triangle and I want my friend to draw the exactly same or congruent triangle based on the information I provide him. So if I tell him the length of BC, so he drew B1 C1 or B dash C dash. Without giving him any other information, will he be able to draw this triangle perfectly? No, he can draw this like this. So it is not possible. So I give him the length of second side. I give him length of BA. Now BA he can draw this way, which is the correct way which I want, but he can also draw BA like this. He can also draw BA like this. So giving BA length of BA in addition to BC is not sufficient. He cannot still draw the exact same triangle as I have drawn. So what I did is I give him the length of the third side. So what he can do is from B he can draw an arc which is equal to length BA, because A point can be anywhere on this arc. And from C he will draw the second arc which is equal to length CA. And that way he got a point A. And if he joins these points, then what he gets is a congruent triangle A dash, B dash, C dash. And this indicates that if we give the measure of all the three sides, if we know the measure of all the three sides, we can draw a congruent triangle. And this method is used to determine the congruence, which means if I have two triangles ABC and it is given that length of AB, I'll write only AB. So out of the 6 elements which we saw in our earlier video, it is given only the 3 sides are of equal length. And this is a sufficient criteria for me to decide that triangle ABC is congruent with triangle PQR. And we know that if we have this information that two triangles are congruent, then its 6 elements are going to be congruent. 3 we already know, and from this we got this, and from this what we understand now is and knowing these extra elements which also are going to be equal is called as CPCT or corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So if you relook at this, we saw that we were able to draw the same triangle or the congruent triangle when we were given the sides, all the 3 sides. And from that we understood that if we have between two triangles, we see that the sides of the triangles are same, all the 3 sides of the triangles are same, then we can say that the triangles are congruent. And once we get the triangles are congruent, we can find that the remaining elements of triangle are also going to be equal or congruent. And this way of finding these elements is called corresponding parts of congruent triangle. And this congruency criteria is called as side criteria, or it is also shown as SSS criteria of congruence of triangle. Let's take a small example to understand how this can be used. In the adjoining figure, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle and AD is median. And we have to prove that triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. Now here we know that it's given AB is equal to AC. And we know that BD is equal to CD. Because we know D is the midpoint, AD is the median. And we also know AD is equal to AD. The AD, side AD is common between these two triangles. It is equal. And using the SSS congruence, what we can say now is triangle ABD is congruent with triangle ACD. Now here, the sequencing, if you see AB is equal to AC and BD is equal to CD and AD is common, so it will be ABD, AB equal to AC, BD is equal to CD and AD is equal to AD. So the sequencing is correct. I am sure you have liked the video. Hit the like button and leave your views in the comment section below. Do watch our other videos on this topic. Subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload new videos. You may also download the YouTube app at the link provided in the video description. Till we meet again, goodbye.